glad you can help. So this is a social media post generator that I created the front end for. So you basically can type anything here. It already has some steps that it's pulling in. You can choose the specific platform, select all. It'll automatically generate kind of the post test. Text. And so this is all just pulling in, just kind of placeholder content. So each one of these calls, right, we go to N8N to kind of help generate some of this information. So it's kind of creating sort of these, specific prompt libraries that'll pull in specific things to Clover, as well as any of the social posts. Next, it'll create this image direction, so it'll give you a visual direction. So all they need to do is select a prompt. Of course, this is going to call again to kind of regenerate it. Give you the recommended one, you can edit it, and then it will generate those 3 image options. I created a stable diffusion using Hugging Face, so we'll create these multiple images and then regenerate them as needed. And then there's a hover, so you can select which image, and then it'll resize that image to the specific platforms, right? So this is a full review grid. You can go and change post text, go in, to approve these things. So we'll approve that. It'll show you, hey, approve the X one, approve Facebook, press that one, and then you can either push to buffer, export CSV. I can give you some buffer creds and stuff. So there are a couple of redundancies saying, hey, do you want to erase? If you do this, you'll erase. The export CSV ends up pulling down a CSV. We're going to have to store this either in like Supabase, or the images, store them in probably Supabase is what we'll end up using, or it might be like an S3 bucket, and we can get you creds and stuff for that. So then this is probably we'll start a new set if you want to, and then we'll just kind of go back to the beginning. Okay, I hope that makes sense, man. I definitely can walk through it. I'll try to get together all the stuff that I can. I know N8N will probably be the best bet to do this, so we'll just use that as sort of a back end. And then whatever other things that I'm missing, because I have no idea what I'm doing, just let me know.